अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। जब तक आप जीवित रहेंगे कांग्रेस आपको ज्यादा टैक्स से मारेगी, और जब आप जीवित नहीं रहेंगे तो आप पर इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स का बोझ लाद देगी।
This was Prime Minister Modi's response to Indian Overseas Congress Chief Sam Pitroda's remarks about the inheritance tax system in the US and the lack of it in India.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth, you are leaving now, you must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it, public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of it. But when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich only.
But what is inheritance tax and how does it work in the US? In the United States, there are two types of taxes related to passing on wealth when someone dies. The estate tax, also known as the death tax, and the other is inheritance tax. Right now, the US government doesn't have an inheritance tax, but 6 states in the country do. Even in those states, many people who inherit money or property don't have to pay this tax, especially if they are close family. The inheritance tax applies after someone has passed away and their assets are being given to the people they left them to. Each beneficiary's tax is calculated separately. For example, if a state has a 5% inheritance tax for money over $2 million and someone inherits $5 million, they would only pay tax on the $3 million above the $2 million limit. So 5% of $3 million is $150,000. The rules and rates for inheritance tax vary from state to state. In general though, if the beneficiary is closely related to the person who passed away, they are more likely to be exempt from paying this tax. After the controversy, Pitroda explained that the US inheritance tax wasn't related to anything in the Congress's plans. He accused some news outlets of trying to twist the truth and distract people from important issues. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge responded to the controversy and accused Prime Minister Modi of playing games to secure votes.
How can there is a constitution and constitution never allows to do this, and we don't have any intention. Why you are putting his ideas in our mouth? Why you are propagating? He is just for votes.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.